Welcome back, people. Today video I'm just showing you guys what I've done with my electric bike. I added another motor in the front with a 16-inch motorcycle tire. It is a 100 by 80 16. That's the size of the tire. I have the same size in the back, but it's a different made. Okay. And I bought a tank battery. That's what I'm running the bike so far. But pretty soon I'll add another battery in it because I want to have more long range, because I'm using that every day for work and going everywhere. Okay. Uh, the back running on a Sabantan 7245, but pretty soon I'll be taking it out. I'll put it for the front because the front I have not hooked it yet. I bought a far driver 72200. That's one I'll be putting to run the back. When I will run the front with the Sabantan, I will put one throttle for both, but I will just put a switch so that I can turn off the front motor when I'm not using it. Okay. So the Sabantan, I'm waiting for the Bluetooth dongle so that I can connect it on the bike. I thought it would come with the Bluetooth dongle, it didn't come with it. Okay. This is looking pretty cool. It looks like almost like an electric dirt bike. Okay. So stay tuned for another part. When I receive the Bluetooth dongle, I will install it and I'll be making a video while I'm riding the bike. Okay, bye.